Welcome to this video on prompt engineering for effective customer support. After watching this video, you'll be able to explain prompt engineering and describe how to draft effective prompts in customer support. You'll explore the best practices of prompt engineering in customer support. Let's first understand what prompt engineering is. Prompt engineering is designing effective prompts for generating relevant and desired responses by leveraging generative AI tools and virtual assistants. The right prompts can help generative AI support systems answer efficiently, reducing waiting times and increasing query resolution rates. In the customer support system, the generative AI models help to generate well-structured and relevant outputs. Let's understand the process involved in prompt engineering. Defining a goal is the first step for writing an effective prompt in customer support. You should know what exactly you want the generative AI tool to generate. For example, your goal can be to generate troubleshooting steps for the lost internet connection. Next is drafting an initial prompt. The prompt could be a question, a directive process, or even a situation based on your goal. For example, a customer is facing an internet connectivity issue. He wants to connect with customer support to know the troubleshooting steps. Please suggest possible troubleshooting steps. Next is to review and analyze generative AI responses and identify whether they align with your goals. If not, make a note of the areas of improvement. To generate a more relevant and precise response, refine the prompt by adding more details and specificity. For example, you can refine the previous prompt as a customer is facing connectivity issues with the router. After applying initial troubleshooting steps, the customer's router still showed errors. He wants to connect with the expert support agent. Please suggest possible troubleshooting steps. Iterate the testing, reviewing, analyzing, and refining steps for prompt until you get the precise response. Applying best practices for creating effective prompts helps leverage generative AI's capabilities in customer support. Creating effective prompts depends on several dimensions: clarity, context, precision, and role-play or persona pattern. Let's review each of these in detail. For writing a clear prompt in customer support, the prompt should be easy to understand. Ambiguous prompts could lead to responses that are not aligned with your objectives. Let's say you entered the prompt as a customer, received the wrong item, and wants to resolve the issue. What should I do? This prompt does not specify the details of the issue or the desired outcome. Let's refine it for clarity as a customer received the wrong item and wants to connect with support to get the correct item. Please outline the process to guide the customer in receiving the correct item, including any necessary steps, such as initiating a return or contacting the support team. Customer support agents can generate an appropriate response by leveraging generative AI. The generated response showcases necessary steps for initiating the return process and apologizing for the mix-up. The response is clear and polite, ensuring the customer support team values the customer. It also displays clear instructions for the customers to resolve the issue. A well-defined context allows the generative AI tools to identify the situation or the subject. It can provide a brief introduction, an explanation of the problem, and specific details for which the customer needs a response. Let's consider an example of a prompt with a well-defined context as a customer wants assistance rescheduling an appointment with the hospital and setting reminders. As a customer support professional, I want to respond politely and professionally, asking for current appointment details, preferred new dates, times, and channels of receiving reminders. Please suggest a suitable process for a customer with clear, helpful, and showcasing room for follow-up questions. The generative AI tool has generated organized, conceptually clear responses, ensuring seamless interactions between customers and support agents. Precision helps outline your request in the prompt and allows you to get clear responses. Examples included in the prompts can help the generative AI tool identify relevant responses that the customers are looking for. Let's consider an example of a precision-based prompt. A customer wants to inquire about festive offers and discounts on clothing and accessories. Please suggest eye-catching promotional festive offers and discounts, including special discounts on trendy outfits and seasonal elements. Highlighting offers like up to 50% off and bundle offers on clothing and accessories. The generative AI tool has generated an effective and personalized response that showcases excitement about the festive offers, making customer shopping experience delightful. The offers include flat discounts, bundle deals, exclusive benefits, and loyalty rewards for shopping in store or online. This response clearly explains the customer's specific requirements in the particular segment. Lastly, let's review role-play or persona patterns for creating effective prompts. Prompts crafted using distinct characters or personas can assist generative AI models in generating responses to remain consistent with the personas. Contextual information helps generative AI models adopt a specific role and generate responses accordingly. Consider the following prompt as an example. One of my customers is a financial manager with limited technical expertise. The customer needs assistance installing Power BI software on the laptop and wants to speak to an expert support agent. Please generate a simple, clear step-by-step response addressing system requirements, installation and troubleshooting steps, and post-installation setup. The response generated by a generative AI tool has identified customers' requirements for specific features or products, guiding the stepwise installation process, and arranging a call with an expert support agent. In this example, the response is contextually clear and provides a step-by-step installation process. In this video, you've learned about prompt engineering, its process, and best practices. Prompt engineering is designing effective prompts to leverage the full potential of the generative AI models for creating optimum responses. You've learned to write prompts starting with defining a goal, crafting a draft prompt, testing, reviewing, analyzing, and refining the prompt until you get the desired outcome. Writing effective prompts for generative AI tools is important for supervising the output's style, tone, and content. You've also identified the best practices for implementing effective prompts in the customer support lifecycle, including clarity, context, precision, and role play or persona.